What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on the Teevee Dune buggy by AMT. So let's go on the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alright, so first up, we got some clear parts, and so you got your tiny tail lights right there. That's pretty neat. So you do get tinted red, or red. You do get tinted yellow and just clear, so you have a cool looking tinted windshield and headlights. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's look at decals. These decals are pretty cool, I gotta admit. You got some, number 8 right there. You got this weird pattern. Looks like a blanket type deal. And license plate. Pretty neat. Small decal sheet, but they're pretty cool for what they are. Alright, next up, a big chrome tree. And this chrome tree has most of your engine parts. So, whoa, pretty hard to focus. So you do get two wheel options. Here's your custom wheels, or here's your those are cool right there, those oval wheels. Don't know what they're called, but they're pretty neat. So yeah, you do get most of your engine, actually, most of your engine's in the chrome, which is okay. You can either dull the chrome, make it look like aluminum, or strip it down and paint it, as you wish. But very good detail. My camera does not like it for some reason. But chrome is very nice. I give it that. Alright, first up, the first bag of parts. These are just loose in the bag. I'm guessing this is like a roll cage type deal right here. So that's pretty neat. And right here you have your main body of a dune buggy, and this is cool. I gotta get this. This is pretty neat. It's so tiny, like the size of my hand. It's so neat. There's some flashing, but not a big deal. It's easy to clean up. So you got your roof, your optional roof. Pretty neat. And here's your, I'm not sure what that is. I'm guessing it goes in the back of it. I'm not exactly sure. And there's more parts of roll cage. And this last tree in this last bag is, this one has, whatever the heck that is. Your little dashboard. That's pretty neat. Pick out those little gauges. Here's your grill. Here's part of your front. I'm not a dune buggy guy, so don't quote me on those stuff. Here's your windshield frame. There is a chrome one, I believe, or you can have just a body color version. Here's the back part of your roof, I guess. First dune buggy, but I'm getting there. Alright, the last bag of the parts. This one has more of a roll cage. I guess that's your bumper. No, your front suspension. Jeez, here's your steering column right there. Pedals, which is actually pretty cool. And steering. I had no idea. So here's your off-terrain, like all-terrain tires right here. They're molded in plastic, which is not a bad thing, but I prefer them to be, you know, rubber, but or vinyl, but that's okay. This one has, that's your roof. It has that textured, and your tiny bucket seats. There's tiny seatbelt material in there. That's pretty neat. And this one has your hood. I have no idea. This is the first time. It looks like a big old antenna. I'm not exactly sure. And part of your, yeah, this is your hood. So these go on the side of your hood, so they kind of mount on the bottom. Okay. First timer. And this one has your frame. So there's a gas tank, which is pretty cool. Both suspension arms. Here's your actual floor pan for the interior. And here's your chassis part right there. A tiny battery. That's awesome. And you get your main frame. So your main engine connects here, and here's your whole frame right there. That's pretty neat. That's cool. Alright, so last up in the kit is you get your tires, obviously, and you do get one metal axle, and this goes right through your engine, so that's pretty neat. And you do get 4 tires. These are your rear tires. They're actually Goodyear branded, and a lot of money on there. That's pretty neat. So it tells you what temperature or what pressure your tire should be. That's cool. Both sides too. So you can easily pick out the Goodyear detail on the tire with like a white pen or something. So here's your back tires, and you do get front skinnies, and they are also named Goodyear. Nope, these are Firestone. So you do get Firestone front tires. That's pretty cool. Goodyear back tires and Firestone fronts. That's pretty neat. Very good, very decent tread pattern. That's awesome. So after taking a very good look at this kit, I really do recommend it. This is actually a pretty darn cool kit. If you can find one, it is a little bit, not too old, but it is a little bit older issue. But just go on eBay. I'm sure you can find one on eBay for a decent price. And this is a good weekend build. This is, you know, not fully, you know, not full detailed, but is low in parts count, and you can easily knock this out in like 24, 40 hours. It's not, you know, easy kit. So I do recommend it. It's a cool kit. But right now, guys, hope to catch you guys next time. Bye for now.